Yep. Let's continue object-oriented programming in Python. In that, let's understand what are classes and objects in Python. Okay, first let's start understanding what is class. We may hear term this definition many places. Class is a user-defined data type. Class is a user-defined data type. Let me give a clarity on this definition too. Usually, we use integer variables for storing integer data, numeric data. Okay. Floating variables, we use float variables, we use for storing a decimal values with fractional part. And string data, we use for storing group of characters or single character in Python. Next one, Boolean to store true or false. True or false. But using class, let's say I am creating a class student. We are creating one class. In this, we are storing int snvo, int snvo, okay, a float marks, and name, string name. So we do not have data types in Python. That's a 10. That's a 99.50. And name is Sreenivas. So this one. So this class we are saying user defined data type, because numeric int can hold only numeric data, but this student is holding different kind of data. We are creating one student, later student, yes, one. This is reference variable. This variable having this complete data. That's why we are calling class is a user defined data type. Okay. Second definition. Class is a logical structure. It does not have physical entity. So for this, to clarify this definition, many classes I asked this question to. Have you seen tree? When I ask this question, most of the people says, I saw mango tree, banana tree, orange tree, coconut tree. My question is, have you seen tree? But their answer is these things. So tree is a logical name. These are objects of a tree. These are objects of tree. These are physically existed. This is logical existed. One more question. I asked many times, have you seen person? Many people says, I have seen Pawan Kalyan, I have seen Modi, I have seen Badri, I have seen Revant Reddy, but no one says, I seen person. Person is a logical name, and Pawan Kalyan, Modi, Badri, Revant Reddy, these are objects of person class. Yes or no? So this is logical name. These are physical objects of this person. So this logical says person contain two eyes, one nose, and two legs, and two hands and 2 years, 2 years, like this. And based on this, all these people created. All these people created. Yes or no? So this class contain complete definition how to form a person. Okay, clear, right? Class is just a logical name. When you create object to that class, it allocates memory in RAM. Okay, yeah. And next definition, we see class is a collection of objects. Means person, in India, we have crores of people. All over the world, many crores of people. Yes or no? Similar way, tree, crores of trees. Those are objects. Tree is logical name. For that logical, we can create objects. You can create collection of objects. And one more definition we frequently see is class is a blueprint for creation of object. Class is a blueprint for creation of object. Let's understand this definition, team. Let's take a civil drawing. Civil drawing. Let's say blueprint of a house. Then, based on this blueprint, they are going to build a house. Yes or no? Here, kitchen, and here, restroom. This is master, and this one is children. And like this, they build house based on the blueprint, blueprint, and object is going to generate. This is logical, this is physical. Listen. So based on class blueprint, object is going to create. That's why people called class is a blueprint for creation of an object. Whatever variables we define here, with that it is going to create a memory for your class. Okay. And next important one is how to create a class in Python. So to create a class, we use class keyword. So class name, and members. Members may be variables, may be functions, and may be constructors inside this class block. Example, class employee underscore init underscore is a constructor. It is constructor. And display employee is a function. Display employee is a function. We will discuss practical example. This is pseudocode to give a demo to how to create a class. Okay. Now let's understand what is an object. What is an object? Object is an instance of class. Instance is an object of class. So class is collection of objects. Object is instance of class. Instance is an object of class. What is the meaning of instance object? Let me clarify this one. Let's say here what I'm doing. I am I am opening this let's say Visual Studio. Assume I am opening Visual Studio. Then we can say Visual Studio instance is created. Okay. Once it is started, we can say Visual Studio instance is created. Next one thing. I am opening Opera browser. I can say Opera browser instance is created. I am opening some PowerPoint. PowerPoint. I can say PowerPoint instance is created. Instance means memory in a RAM. For anything memory created in RAM, we call it as instance. For class, for class, for class, if you create memory in RAM, we call it as object. For class, if you create a memory, we call it as object. Object means memory allocated for your class. Okay. Object has a physical existence. We can touch and feel. Example, person is a class, Sreenivas is object, Pawan Kalyan is object, Modi is object, Revant Reddy is object. We can touch and feel. Yes. So I said we can touch and feel. Don't try creating class, and create an object, create an object. Don't open your laptop, don't open RAM, and don't touch. This is physical means memory allocated for your object. Sir said we can touch and feel. Then don't try to touch opening RAM and to try to see a class A object. Physical in the sense allocated memory in the RAM in software terminology. General terminology, physical means we are object of persons. Trees, different to trees are objects to trees class. Okay. Next one, how to create an object in Python. Here we use this approach to E1 equal to employee. E1 equal to employee. So E2 equal to employee. You can create n number of objects in this format. Creating object. Okay, clear, right? How to create an object? Yeah. So we started discussing what is object oriented, what is class, what is an object, how to create a class, and how to create an object. Okay.